Hello students of Standard 7. How are you? Fine. Good. Welcome to DAV Model Public School, Sitasongi. This is your social science teacher, Nitin Pushpatode. Okay, let's begin an online session of social science. Children, are you ready? Okay, let's start. In the previous online session, we have completed the topic medieval period. Students, today we will start the new topic democracy and equality. Okay, students, first of all, I am telling you about the democracy. Listen students, democracy is a popular form of government. It is a popular form of government. Students, under the democratic form of government, we have a lot of freedom. We have a lot of rights. Okay. Students, under the democratic form of government, every citizen of country is equal in the eyes of law. That means students, everyone is equal. Everyone is equal in the eyes of law. So this type of setup in a democratic form of government. Okay students, now we discuss on the constitution. Listen students, what is the basic theme of constitution? What do you mean by the constitution? Students, it is very essential to know about the constitution. Listen to me. A constitution is a set of regulation that a set of people have made and agreed upon. Listen students, a constitution is a set of rules and regulation that a set people have made and agreed upon. That means a constitution is a body of fundamental rules. Listen students, a constitution is a body of fundamental rules according to which the government of a country function. Students, a constitution is a body of fundamental rules according to which the government of a country function. That means we can say that the Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. It contains the powers and function of various organs of the government and their mutual relationship. Again, students, it also defines the rights of the citizens and the relation between the government and citizens. That means the constitution played an important role in the maintaining of the relation between the government and its citizens. Okay students, it gives, again students, the constitution gives a detailed description of fundamental principles on the basis of which the laws are made and the country works. Okay students, one question I am asking. Students, when was the Constitution of India made? Do you know about that? When was the Constitution of India made? Listen students, it is very essential to know about that. Constitution of India, which was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949. Listen students, Constitution of India, first of all adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949. On that date, Indian Constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on which date? 26 November 1949. And thereafter, Constitution just came into force, that means came into effect on 26 January 1950. So that's why in every year on the 26th January we celebrate this day as a Republic Day, 26th January. Okay students, so Constitution came into force on 26th January 1950. Students, another question, who made the Indian Constitution? Student, who made the Indian Constitution? See, one picture is given. One picture is given in front of you. Observe that. Who made Indian Constitution? Students, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar is called the father of Indian Constitution. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar is called the father of Indian Constitution. Okay students, next point. It ensures that the states treat all citizens equally. Listen, the Constitution ensures that the state treats all citizens equally. That means students, rules of law. Listen, that means according to the Indian Constitution, every citizen of the country is equal in the eyes of law. There is no discrimination. Students, there is no discrimination on the basis of caste, religion, sex, social or economic status. That means everybody is required to follow the rules and regulation. In fact, rule of law is the basic foundation of the democratic system. Okay students, and all the basis of all types of equalities again rooted in the democratic form of government under the constitution. Okay students, so this is the primary information that all citizens are equal in the eyes of law. Okay student, next point is what? The preamble. Listen, the preamble and introduction to an Indian Constitution. This is the picture of the Constitution of India preamble. The preambles and introduction to the Indian Constitution, it is known as the soul of Constitution. It is known as soul of Constitution. Listen students, preamble is a mirror of Constitution. In another word, we can say that preamble is a mirror of Constitution. Students, why we it called the mirror of Constitution? Listen, preamble shows us what is given inside the Constitution. Again, preamble tells us India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic and republic country. Again students, it shows us principles of democracy like justice, liberty, equality, fraternity. So that's why so that all to all entire point, just at a glance, just we can see through the preamble. So that's why it is called, it is known as the soul of Constitution. Okay students, in such a way that today we have learned about the basic theme of the democracy, as well as the basic theme of the Constitution, what do you mean by the Constitution, and some general points about the Constitution. Again students, we learned about the all to all citizens are equal, are equally in the eyes of laws. Again students, we primary information just learned about the preamble of India. It is known as the soul of Constitution, as well as it is the mirror of Constitution. Okay students, on the basis of today's content, one question I am giving as assignment question, you have to write the answer of this question. Students, remaining part of this lesson we will continue in the next online session. Thank you very much.